Hi guys, how are you all doing? We are hoping that you all are doing well. If you're new to our channel, karibu, and if you're our returning subscriber, mwah, we love you so much. Thank you for coming back again and again and again. So if you're new here, we do content on lifestyle. We share our lifestyle. So if that is something you like to watch, karibu sana. And in today's video, I'm so excited that finally we are house hunting. Finally, we're moving out. Recently, after getting married, now I'm 2 months. After the wedding, we opted to move into my husband's apartment because his apartment was bigger and other reasons. Then we agreed that later we're going to house hunt so that we can look for our apartment without any pressure. And guys, the time is now. I'm so excited about this. I'm so happy that finally we are house hunting. I'm going to choose the apartment of my choice, of my dreams, and I can't wait to share the new journey with you guys, decorating my own house, my own home, creating my own home. I'm so excited. So let's go house hunting. Enjoy. Wow, the DSQ is on sweet. Nani hii ni DSQ? Wow. So nice. Na hizo sliding door. Na zote zina face that side. Oh, juu ya good lighting. Then this is the where? This one? But the lighting is good. Yeah. Smallest. Now the finishing. The second bedroom. Oh, iko na balcony. Wow. My God, inakaa vizuri. Now this is the main bedroom.
This is the master, yeah.
Wow, the master.
Glass balcony. This is the glass construction.
Oh, so itakuwa glass balcony. And then the where? My God. Hii ni 11M.
Cause it makes me feel lesser than striving for perfection, thinking somebody will see me then. No, don't get me wrong, really want everybody to succeed, but can we start with me? Like, why was it her and not me? Why was it her and not me? Wish someone could redesign me, to not have the style to find me. Why was it her and not me? Why was it her and not me? Envy is gonna blind me. Why was it her and not me? Just wanna
This is the master bedroom. It's en suite, so this is the washroom. It's actually quite big. Then this is the master bedroom with all these drawers. I really like. It's nice. It's nice. I love it. And I love the doors as well. And this whole corridor. This is the other bedroom that I've shown you. Then the living room area, it's quite spacious. The windows are so big. This is so nice. Then it's an open kitchen plan with a really nice surface and a small cabinet here. I don't know why they did not put cabinets here as well. Then the sink area is over here, just one sink. Then there's this laundry area. Yeah, this is the laundry area, and it has the laundry area has cabinets as well, which can work as your pantry or storage area. Yeah, so this is it. Is the house nice? Yeah, it's nice. But do I like it? I'm not sure if I like it. I really like the bedrooms and the living room, but this kitchen, it's not giving at all. I don't know why I don't like the kitchen. Yeah, so the search continues. Hey guys, another house hunting day. Today at least I have my man. At least we're going together. I'm so happy about this, and we're going with another house agent. Yeah, so we are en route. Aji? Umesema? Usiseme jina yake. Yeah, so wacha tuende to house hunt. For those who are maybe probably thinking like, why are we house hunting now? It's because after the wedding we started living at his apartment, and now tuna feel to outgrow the apartment. That's why we're looking for a house. And then of course, as a woman, you want your own apartment with the things that you like, the lighting that you want, with the specifications that you want. And I'm so excited about this, guys. The vlogs that are going to be coming your way, the decorating the house. Oh my god, I'm so excited about this new journey. Love, do you feel like getting a new house is important for newlyweds?
Yes, it's a good thing.
It's a good thing.
It's a good thing.
Yeah.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out, you stop caring about it. Don't let your head get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your head get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you
Wakikuyu tiles. Wakikuyu tiles. Why do we have 3 patterns of tiles? Surely. The way the house is so big. Like, look at this bedroom, and it's not even the master bedroom. So big. Then we have the bedroom, the master, with Wakikuyu tiles. Kikuyu landlords. And the kitchen. Wow, I love this house. Look at the finishing, the tiles. Oh my god, and the lighting. Wow. Wanacho. Then the taps. Huku zinanifurahisha. So nice. Oh. Hebu nione huku. Hii lavi ni kubwa. Oh guys, I want to share with you that the house that we have found is not in this vlog. We have found a house, and this house hunting journey has been quite an amazing journey. And also, I don't know if I should say amazing, because there are sometimes I was so anxious, I was so nervous. I didn't know if I would get what I really want, because most houses zilikuwa ziko na shida. Either I won't like the lighting, or I won't like maybe the finishing of the house, or I won't like the location of the house. So it's been just an interesting journey for me. And I remember we were almost giving up, and I don't know, in that process we just went to house hunt. I remember we went to house hunt to a certain location, then we did not get as well, so we were around our friend's house, and we decided to just call our friends and maybe join them. We go have maybe tea, nini, we just catch up. So we went, and I'm telling you, this was ordered by God, because our meetup was so divine. It was so nice, it was so godly, it was so timely. And our friends were just encouraging us. They're also newlyweds, so they were just encouraging us and telling us, imagine, be specific with what you want and tell God what you want, and God will listen, you know. Yeah. And we didn't, at first we were like, you guys, you don't understand, we've been house hunting, we've paid people, we've done what, you guys don't understand. But they just kept on telling us, have faith and believe in God, that God is able to even bless you with the little things that you're praying for. So yeah, after that we just took their word and we ran with it, and we prayed over the situation. And I'm telling you, the next day, ata Mungu hakungoja, the next day when we prayed and we were so specific with God, the next day God showed us our house, and we went and yeah, we got our house. Yeah, I'm so excited. So I'm just here to tell you guys, imagine, don't give up in whatever you're praying for, either it's big or small. Commit it to God and just believe that God will establish it. Yeah, I don't want to sound too spiritual, but that's facts for us, and if it worked for us, it can work for someone else as well. So just believe in God, trust in God, and be specific with what you're praying for, either it's big or small. Just commit it to God and believe that He's able to give it to you. Yeah. So in this video, you've seen so many houses, you've seen quite a number of houses, and we didn't house hunt in one day. It's been like a whole month of house hunting. we have found a house. It's not in this vlog. We've not included it in this vlog because we want to do a separate video for that one alone. So guys, stay tuned and thank you for enjoying this vlog. If you haven't subscribed, please remember to subscribe, join us, and mwah, till we see you in our next video. Bye.